Preloaded module T-harness combo for select Audi vehicles. The EVO-AUDT1 is the ultimate factory fit, all-in-one data immobilizer bypass, door lock, alarm remote start interface with T-harness combo module for select Audi vehicles. It raises the standard of hassle-free installation convenience to a whole new level. It uses a multiple bus architecture with 10 separate communication ports that provide more complete functionality on every supported vehicle. Top reviews from the United States. I love it, my Audi loves it. I have a 2012 Audi A4 and did a lot of research online to find if a remote starter can be added without leaving a key in the car. Well, after installing this unit, I can say the answer is yes. The install was pretty easy and the documentation is good. Only issue is Amazon shipped the wrong item twice, came with a Ford T-harness both times, so I ended up having to buy on eBay. But if you can get the right thing, rest assured it'll work in your Audi. Check Fortin's website for year model support.